Welcome to the Joy of Photography. Now, this week is a really special week because I'm going to post every single day at 1 o'clock, and I'm going to show you some of the great pictures I got last week during a week in Cornwall. Some fantastic images, some lovely walks, some great weather and spectacular scenery, and everything that I show you this week was taken on my iPhone. That's right, no snazzy cameras, no expensive lenses, just an iPhone. It was my first day here, so I headed out, and as you can see, we've got a beautiful spring day. The gorse looking yellow on the left, the hawthorn flowers in white, and the cliff top footpath going. We've got blue sky, white clouds and rain clouds. Such a spring day. The first shot that I saw that I really liked was this shot here. You could see the rain cloud. You can see that rain coming down on the left hand side. And what I particularly liked were there were ducks around. And can you see those 3 ducks flying past the picture? And look at the sea close up with the sunlight on it. So turquoise, absolutely beautiful. And then we got this picture here, which I took out on a walk through a nature reserve. I think in black and white it really worked best because it really showed those shadows from the tree leading you into the shot. The next shot was a fallen tree, and I really like those grasses in the foreground, and in black and white they really jump out and separate themselves from the background. Can you see? It's just lovely with that arching old wood and those spiky leaves in the foreground. But this was the shot that was going to be my shot for the day. I did it on the beach. We were in the sunlight, and look at the rain clouds, the storm in the background bucketing down. So first thing is to crop it, because I'm on an older iPhone. This is an iPhone 8, so I haven't got the option to zoom in, and so let's get in there and bring that up. And can you see that rain bucketing down? There's 2 cells there, one each side, and sunlight in the middle, and then we've got those tankers moored up in the middle, giving us a nice focal point. So I'm going to cut out this foreground here, and then we'll modify and feather that, and we can do a little bit of work on the levels now. I've inverted it, of course, because I'm working on the sky, and I can really start seeing some by taking the levels down, particularly the greys. That rain really coming down. I'm going to just lighten that with the dodge tool, just bring some light back in there, and that's starting to look better, isn't it? So I'm going to just take this area at the top down a little bit more. It's a little bit too light still. There we go, and maybe that's more like it. And we can see that stormy cell, and it's gone a bit dark there, so I'll feather that, cut that out, and just bring the light back up there. There, now we're getting some. Can you see that light? It looks like it's drenching them, and that's better. So let's do a little work on this foreground, because we are actually in sunshine here. We'll do the feather again, and we'll bring the sand and the sunshine of these people enjoying the bit of beach here, despite the fact that way in the distance back there, the weather, was it coming or was it going? It's actually going on this picture. It had missed them. They managed to stay dry. So let's recrop that. Let's get it where we want it. I want the focal point to be that weather coming down in the background there. I don't like that canoe thing, that kayak, so I'm going to take that out and just clean up 1 or 2 little edges. I just want the people, just 3 or 4 people in the foreground, minding their own business, enjoying beach life. I'm just going to go into the filter gallery and choose some grain, put some film grain effect in there. That's just right. Oh, beautiful. That's what I'm looking for. I think I might just lighten those little areas at the front, just a little dodge tool and a little retouching to the sky to the left to get everything nice and equal. And that's the finished picture. I'm really pleased with that. That's the first picture in our daily cell phone joy of photography, and look at that. I think we've got a really nice black and white image there with those stormy clouds dropping those really heavy bursts of rain, and yet beautiful sunshine peering through the middle. We've got the ships moored in the background, giving it some scale, the people dotted in the foreground. Yeah, I really like that. And all taken on an iPhone. So I hope you enjoyed watching that. Don't forget, I'm going to be posting a different iPhone photo, cell phone photo, every day this week and show you the edit that I do on it. So I hope you enjoy watching them, and see you tomorrow.